it, okay?
I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. Just I want you to actually like start first. I already videotaped like 5 seconds. So come on. Get to this, come on. I need to see some pain, some swearing.
Wait,
This is like Jackass, but like for 12-year-olds.
Straighten out a little bit.
This is like Jackass, but for like 12-year-olds.
Jack those.
Okay. What are we even?
Ah, shit! Ah, shit! Ah, 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 crap! Ah, shit! I can't feel my head! Ah, my back! Ah, shit! Ah, ah, shit! Ah,
Hey Garrett, how do you feel after this? Garrett, your underwear is now will be all over the internet. Garrett, how do you feel?
shit, my back! Ow! 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 Ah, my back! My back! Ow! Ah! No, don't touch me! No!
Go on,
No!
Get up.
I can't! My back hurts too much!
This is going all over YouTube.
Watch it just go viral. I'm a YouTube star.
Yeah, you are.
Ow! Ow, my back!
You okay?
No!
Dad, do you have permission to put this on YouTube?
I don't know what it.
You can. It's good. You can.
Anything else you want to say to the camera?
No.
You want to go on the rock wall next?
Yes.
Okay.